Hey, before we start, what's your biggest fitness goal in this winter? Comment below. Are you trying to fat loss, gain strength, or just stay active? If you want to stay fit, strong, and motivated in this winter, you are watching the right video. Welcome to the Winter Hours Challenge. There are 5 simple exercises do you to keep your body warm, strong, and full of energy in all seasons. Before we jump in, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss weekly fitness video from Motivation Ways. Number 1, jumping jack. Start by jumping with your arms and legs, moving wider apart then back together. It's a great warm up to boost your heart rate, improves blood flow, and loosen your muscles. Number 2, push-ups. Place your hand shoulder width apart. Lower your chest close to the ground and push back up. This exercise builds strength in your arms, shoulders, and chest, perfect for upper body power. Number 3, squat. Stand straight. Push your hips back and lower your body as if sitting on a chair. Squats helps building strong legs and while also burning extra calories. Number 4, plank hold. Keep your elbow under your shoulders and your body straight like a board. Hold this position for 20 to 60 seconds. It strengthens your core, improves posture, and builds endurance. Number 5, knee hold. Sit down, lift both knees toward your chest and wrap your arms around them. Hold for a few seconds, then release. This helps tighten your abs, improves flexibility, and reduce lower back tension. Do these 5 exercises daily to stay active, healthy, and confident all through the winter season. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and fitness tips every week. Thanks for watching.